Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install TikTok Pixel on TikTok. Firstly, go to TikTok business page and navigate to Assets, then Events. Click Manage under Web Events and click on Create Pixel. Enter the pixel name, maximum 128 characters. That would be the name of the pixel. Like I said, the maximum character should be 128 characters, including space. But make sure that you need a TikTok business account. You can log in or create it on TikTok business. Just when you're done, like I said, go to the assets and select events, then go to web events and click manage. Web events, then click on manage. Now click on create pixel and insert the name, then click create pixel. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.